Rob Nagy from Giroud Tree and Lawn Care. I just want to talk to you a little bit about lawn renovations and seeding. We have, of course, a 6-visit lawn care program here at Giroud where we come out and start doing weed suppression, fertilization, insect and disease control and suppression, grub control, and that's part of our 6-visit lawn care program that we have. But we also offer other services. Sometimes I come to a lawn and it's covered in weedy grasses all over the place, undesirable grasses, bare areas, thin areas, areas that are covered in matted down fungus grass. Those are the type of areas that you have to come in and do extra work on. A 6-visit lawn care program will not fix that by itself. So the one lawn that we did last year, I came and I saw a client and they had a lawn that was really beautiful. It was green, it had the potential to be really, really nice, but they had a whole bunch of undesirable grasses. They had nimblewill, they had Bermuda grass, and it was all intertwined with some really good fescue. So I came to them and I approached them of how we can try to start the process of developing that lawn. What we did in that situation was I came in, we used vegetation killer, and we went to all of those areas that were undesirable and we marked them out and we sprayed them with vegetation killer. After that was done, we came in with equipment. We have Harley rakes and tillers where we made it down to bare earth. We removed all the undesirables, and then we put down a whole bunch of topsoil in that situation where we leveled and graded it off so that we can get a great seed bed developed. If you look at the pictures that we've taken over the process being developed, what happened was the grass started to grow and germinate, started to green up, and then things started to match in. We do have a little bit of work we need to finish on it this year, but if you look at the start of where we were at and where the old construction damage in the rear was, where the undesirable grasses in the front were, and the work that we did, it came in good, it grew good, the customer did their due diligence of watering, and we continued with fertilization and weed suppression this year. So right now the lawn is looking really good. Nothing is ever 100%, but obviously we had those conversations prior, and in this situation we're going to do a little bit of spot seeding and taking care of a couple of trouble areas that didn't take very well, but that's what we did in this situation. Again, some lawns I come to and the 6-visit lawn care program will work. I mean, it's something that you start early in the season, pre-emergence, fertilization, you get rid of the weeds, the good grasses fill in, and in other times we need to do more excessive work. So those are always the options here at Giroud, and we'd be happy to help you out. If you have a lawn that you're trying to develop or you think we can help you out with treatments or lawn renovations, give us a call.